You're filming here. Hold it. See how close it looks? Aim it at the bird.
Oh, that's true.
Bird sex. Mind me. We're getting down now. Better get the bird off.
Oh, look at it. Raise that tail.
Gotta get you a chicken and I'll help you. We'll be alright, mate. Go ahead, baby.
Look at it.
That rooster, double yellowheads here pretty soon, so yellow scarlet's okay. See, she likes that, sticking off.
Mm-hmm.
Get down with your bad bird self.
Oh, look at it.
Oh. Bird's been needing this for I don't know how many years.
Shut up.
This bird's older than I am. Almost. And live longer than me, too. I'm sorry to tell somebody about this. How you feeling? I'm gonna fix that feather. Oh, you ready for more? Oh, God. I want you to pat me on my back, my friend. Because I love it long time. You know, you're jacking me off. I'm just patting the bird on the back, but really, in bird world, that's jacking the bird off, I guess. This bird's getting off on this. Come on. You're a good girl. Ooh, yeah. Hey, baby, what are you doing? Don't bite too hard now. That kind of fucking hurts. You ain't got no teeth there. That bait is pretty sharp. All right, let me all for now.